Hi everyone, my name is Phil Brooks. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration video on the mobilecore plugin for minishift and how to get that set up locally. The first thing that you want to do is clone the repository into your machine. The repository, you can see it on the screen here. I'll also include a link to it in the email. We also want to enable the experimental features of minishift, which we do with an environment variable like this. All of the commands that I'm using in this video are available in the README of the minishift mobilecore add-on repository, so you can copy them from there. Now that we have that repository cloned, we can install it into minishift using this command, which installs it as an add-on. The -f makes it install a fresh copy even if it already has a copy, which can be handy for pulling down updates. The next step then is to enable the plugin. By enabling the plugin, that means that it will run every time that we do a start. It will run that plugin after the start is finished. Next, we want to set up the Docker Hub credentials. Of course, I'm going to use some dummy credentials here. And we can check that they've been set properly by doing a config get and the add-on env key. And we can see that those values have been put in there properly. So I'm just going to set them to actual values and clear out the screen so that we can continue with the demo. Okay, so now I've set those Docker Hub credentials to valid values. So if you're following along in the README, you can see the next stage is just to check that your minishift version is at least 1.11, which you can do using the minishift version command. And then if you have a minishift, if you've had a minishift running in the past, or if you're not sure whether or not you have, then we do need to stop the machine. I don't have one running, so it didn't do anything, and we also need to run a delete as well. This is because the service catalog will not function unless a delete has been executed. So once we've done that, we're ready to go and we can run the minishift start command. The OpenShift version needs to be 3.7.0 for the service catalog to function, and for the service catalog argument to function, that experimental features environment flag needs to have been set to Y. So we'll run that now. This takes quite a bit of time to get through, so I'm going to skip ahead. So we can see that the minishift cluster has started successfully here now. That took around about 5 minutes, and now it's automatically applying the mobilecore add-on. This can take a fair few minutes as well, so I'm going to skip the video ahead here too. Okay, so we can see the installation is completed now, and we can verify that that is completed successfully by logging into the control panel here. The first thing that we can see is that we have a mobile tab available, which lets us know that our UI is installed, and we also have the catalog populated with our custom APBs, which means that the environment variables have been read incorrectly. So that's the end of the demo. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear it. Thanks. Bye.